Y'all know I don't know how to sit down. Alright guys, good morning. So first of all, I have a really bad sinus infection. I know y'all can hear it. I'm very congested and I am draining so bad. And that's the first time I cough, so I don't know what that's about. But yeah, so my doctor pretty much told me to rest from today until Monday. Y'all know I don't know how to sit down, so we're gonna color this wig today. Since I gotta like not like do stuff, but I do. This thing does not, it worked like for the first few days I had it, but so I do need to get the color. I'm kind of sad that I didn't already have no color, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, we're about to go to the hair store first. Anyways, yeah, so we're on the way to the hair store. I am going to do like a little montage in the hair store. I am not going to talk to y'all. I'm just gonna show y'all the colors I'm grabbing, go check out, and then we'll go back to the house. Alright guys, I got the goods. I bought me another developer because I think mine is about gone. I got this even lace bun spray that everybody been talking about, so we're gonna see. And I got some colors, y'all. So we're gonna see how those turn out. I do look like crap, like my nose looks swollen and everything. But we're gonna see how all of this comes out and how I decide to put these colors on, because I'm not really sure. I kind of need to figure out which one is the darkest out of all of them and kind of like go down strand with it. I think I know the order, but we're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see when I put it on there. We're really gonna figure that out. So yeah, I will be back to talk to y'all. Alright guys, so we made it home. Right now I am just hot combing this hair back, y'all. I'm still like figuring out the purpose of the hot comb. I'm pretty sure it's to get the flyaways away, but yeah, your girl haven't, I don't know, I haven't mastered it yet. And I also realized one thing that I keep forgetting to get is like this hair wax. So yeah, next time. So I am grabbing my developer, which I am using a level 30 developer, and I'm also going to show you that developer. It's a cream developer by Clairol, and then I'm going to use the BW2 bleach. And these are just products that I'm used to using. I've been using these same products since like high school. So there's my mixing bowl. I got my gloves because bleach should not touch your skin. And then here we are mixing. Right now I'm just going to bleach my knots because they were a little dark. They weren't too bad, which was really nice for them not to be too bad, but I did go ahead and get those done. Of course, I mix this all together, find the right consistency that I would like before applying it to the lace, and I'll put it on a timer. Of course, watch it to make sure it's not like over bleaching, and then I will rinse that out. So right now y'all are just watching me put the bleach on. I did not put the rinsing process in there because it's a bit much. So yeah. So these are the colors I chose to use: the aquamarine, emerald, and clover. So right now I am putting the darkest one at my roots. As you can see, I did not bleach the root area. I did leave it dark because I kind of wanted to just have a tint, not really colored. And then the sections I did actually color, they are in 2 plaits in the back. That way I don't accidentally pull strands from it. So what I was trying to go for was like I don't even know what to call it. That's bad because I literally went to cosmetology school. But basically I wanted the front to be a little darker, and then I was going to blend that color into the roots of this hair. Of the colored section, the bleach section, I was going to blend that color into that section, and then I was going to fade it out into the other colors that I had. That's not really what happened, and yeah, y'all see I got bleach all over my clothes. Do not wear good clothes when you do this. Wear something that you don't mind bleaching because it will bleach your clothes. But yeah, after this, that is all. I pretty much put the color on all of the hair and kind of blended it out with my fingers, well, my hands, and then I did rinse it after a certain amount of time, and I let it air dry. And then the next morning I went ahead and applied the wig. I used the even lace hold, which y'all need to work on that because I think I've sprayed it a little too close to my scalp, which made the hair a little hard. So I am going to reapply this wig soon. I need to wash it because, like I said, that even I did get the extra hold for whatever reason, and it did like make the hair hard. So I will go back in and reattempt that. I also did my makeup because I was going to a brunch. So there's a clip in here of me doing my makeup. I'm just using the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. And yeah, y'all, that's my outfit. I hope you all enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But the rest of this will just be me actually going through the process. And maybe you all see something that you can take on to use for your journey. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. And don't forget, always stay chic, babes.